To add a menu to Weebly, start by opening a web browser and navigating to Weebly.com. If you're not automatically logged in, click the Sign In button at the top right and enter your email and password information. Once logged in, you'll see various options on the left, including Overview, Website, Items, Orders, Fulfillment, Reports, Marketing, Communications, and Settings, as well as Upgrade, Support, and Setup Guide options at the top right. Click on Website and then Edit Site to access your site's pages. Choose a center page where you want to add a menu. Then click the plus sign. Create a non-clickable page to serve as your menu. You can do this by creating a home page or adding a section. If you want to add something more specific, you can feature menu items or add forms with these steps. You should be able to successfully add a menu to Weebly.